A very warm welcome to all the students of ABBHS High School Lonavala. Standard 6 Civics. Lesson number 2 Diversity in Society. Before dealing with diversity, we have to know what is society. That which you have studied already in last chapter, isn't it? Next one, how society form. Children, when people come together to achieve certain common objective for that region, society is formed. In order to fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter, and security, the society has to create a permanent system. Without such a permanent system, the day-to-day affairs of society cannot be carried on. The existence of many such systems makes a society stable. There are many languages, religions, cultures, customs, and traditions in Indian society. So, people belong to different communities, celebrates their festivals and cultural events in different way. For example, Holi. Holi is the festival celebrated in different part of the country, in different states. Their modes are different in different states. Modes, celebrating modes means children way. You can see in the picture the different way the Holi is celebrated all over the India. Their modes of worships are also different. For example, according to their community and religions, everyone do their prayer. In the same way, India is multilinguistic country. Different languages are spoken in India. Do you know, children? In India, there are 780 languages are spoken. For example, Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, including English, altogether 780 languages. Isn't it great? As all these different communities in our country are living together for many years, people share their ritual traditions, cultures, languages, festivals, foods with each other. This diversity make them close. That's why a feeling of oneness has developed among them. This feeling of oneness leads to unity in the Indian society. For example, if I say Bharat Mata Ki, I know automatically words come from you, Jai. That is oneness feeling. Takes our Indian in higher and higher. That is our strength. There is unity in diversity in India. Let's see now, children, how this diversity is our strength. To live with different groups is to experience coexistence. Coexistence means, children, it helps to know our existence in the society. So, this coexistence helps us to develop feeling of cooperation. It helps us to know each other. It increases the level of understanding among peoples. It helps us to know and adopt each other's culture, traditions, customs, and way of life. We learn how to respect each other's way of life. We learn to respect each other's tradition. Even we adopt certain traditions from others. This helps us to increase being a unity in the society. Children, this social unity help us to face many natural and social calamities. For example, this year COVID-19 pandemic problems face us. So different people help each other to come out from this critical condition. It shows togetherness among people. That's why there are diversity, but it is a strength of society. Now look at here: Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity. In all these religion, that one name is there, that is Indian. Children, this unity in diversity we see. Now next one, the principle of secularism. Secularism. What is means? Secularism. Let's have a look. Secularism means an equal treatment of all religions by state. Let me repeat one more time. Secularism means an equal treatment of all religions by state. Right? Indian society consists of people following different religions. Our constitutions has made important provision to ensure that all religion communities will have to freedom to worship according to their faith and to help develop a feeling of mutual understanding. India is an important secular nation of the world. We have great diversities in our country. Diversities like different languages, religions, culture, etc. Children, then question comes in your mind, why have we accepted the principle of secularism? So answer is for that, in order to preserve these diversities in a sound and healthy manners, we have to accept the principle of secularism. Understood? Can I repeat it? Why we have to accept the principle of secularism? Because to preserve these all diversities in a sound and healthy manner. That's why we accepted the principle of secularism. No religion is recognized as the religion of our country. Every person has the freedom of worship as per their religion or the religion of their choice. The people of all religions are treated equally by the state. Opportunities for education, means of livelihood, and government jobs are made available to all. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion. There are special provision in the Constitution for the protection of religion and linguistic minority. The principle of secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in Indian society. So children, in this video we have studied diversity. Diversity is our strength and the principle of secularism. Now you will read the lesson and underline the important points and new words. Thank you children. Have a wonderful day. Keep learning something new.